Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I'm finally going to share with you guys my office. I know that every time I do a video, people always comment and compliment and talk about my shelves and my shoes and everything. So I'm going to take you guys on a tour today. I already have a blog post. If you want to check that out, I will put the link in the description box below. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Davida and I am a digital content creator, fashion and lifestyle blogger at Vida Fashionista. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel because I upload every Thursday and Sunday. So I want you to be notified for when a new video drops. I'm not really sure how long this video is going to be since the space isn't that big, but I get asked all the time about my office and everybody really enjoyed my office reveal on the blog. So I figured that I can just take you guys on a little tour, show you all of my things, and I will make sure that I include links for everything that I can in the description box for you. And if you have any questions or any concerns, or if I don't link something and you want to know where it's from, I will answer that for you. Just put it in the description box. So let's get started with my tour of Vida Fashionista HQ. Here is the space in all of its glory. And then let me just take you through so you can see what everything looks like. This is when you first walk into my office, and this is everything that you see. And I will take you from the door all the way over to my desk. So we'll start here. I have this shoe rack that I placed on my door for extra storage because, as you guys can see, I love my shoes. And I get asked this question all the time. No, this is not my whole collection of shoes. It's just a majority, and some of them are seasonal shoes that I need to switch out, like my booties that I have down over there. This is a spare bedroom that we have, and here is the tiny closet that it has. And I basically use this closet to store a lot of my tops, and then I have some of my favorite scarves over here. I use baskets for storage, so that's where a lot of the sneakers that I wear are. And then down here, I actually store a lot of my video equipment, my extra lenses, some hangers, and other things like that. But this closet is tiny and not functional, so I make the best of it. Moving on over to the bookshelves that you guys see, I get asked questions about these so often. They are the Billy bookcases from IKEA. They are literally like $59.99, I think. And then they only come with four shelves. So what I did was I just went and bought some extra shelves so that I could have some more room for my shoes. I just use the top of the bookcases just for some extra storage. And fun fact, that box right there, that's actually my wedding shoes. And then in here, I use a lot of baskets for storage. I have some flats. I will take that down for you in a second and show you all of my flats. But then I just have most of my heels that I wear. I try to color code them. And then these are the shoes down here that I need to switch out. They're just like some booties and boots. Over here I have some more sneakers and then just some kind of miscellaneous shoes. I have a couple of my handbags on display over here too, and then down there. This mannequin, everyone meet Lola. Lola needs her outfit changed because she's been wearing the same outfit for a year and it's not cute. And then what I do is I just store a lot of my hats on top of Lola. I've seen a lot of bloggers and influencers that have like a little hat wall and they just use like tacks or like thumbtacks, you know, to reinforce them on the wall. I just pile them on like a crazy hat lady. And let's see if I can take this down for you guys with one hand. Wish me luck. Oh, I did it! In this basket, I just have some of my flats. I got this basket from Home Goods, but I know that they have it at the Container Store. And these are just a lot of like my pointed toe mules. casual shoes. Well, a little bit more dressy actually. Oh my goodness, and I still have the receipt in there. Good job, Davida. And I just love the way that baskets look for holding things for storage. And you can honestly put anything that you want in here, but I just chose to put these flats in there. Moving on from the bookcases, we're gonna go over here, and I keep a couple of my knee boots, my favorite knee boots, over here and onto this clothing rack, which I absolutely love. I got this clothing rack off of Amazon. It's like $35, and I believe it's on Prime, and I will make sure that I link it for you. But I just use this clothing rack to display a lot of my new arrivals, things that I need to style. It's very helpful when I'm doing styling videos, and I can just refer to this rack. And then I also use it, as you can see, to display some of my handbags. A little bit of a new addition to this clothing rack, I just started putting some of my wedges down here because I swapped out my shoes for the spring and summer, and I ran out of room over on the bookcases, so they will live there for now until I figure something out. Here is where you guys will find me most of the time. This is my OOTD mirror. I absolutely love this mirror, and I got this from HomeGoods. I forget the price, and I will try to see if I can find a link, and if I can't find the exact mirror, I will link something similar for you. But it just is a nice addition to the office, and I actually like how, you know, the light bounces off of it and it just brightens up the space. This little table right here I use to display my Vida Fashionista HQ sign, which I absolutely love, and I will link this for you guys too. And do not ask me why I have my college diploma down there, but for some reason I do. I love this sign because the best part about it is that it lights up, which is so cute. And then behind the sign, I just have, every single blogger has this book. It's The Elements of Style, and it just is a very nice home decor piece and just makes this plain table look like something. And then I just have a little plant there. And then finally moving over to where all the magic happens, this is my desk. Once again, this was an Amazon find, and I will link it for you if I can find it. And then, of course, I just wanted to liven up my space a little bit, and any office that I've always had, I just love a gallery wall. So I just decided to do a little bit of a gallery wall, and I think I got all these pictures from like HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, so I'm not really sure if I can find links for them, but if I can find something similar, I will do that. But I spend most of my time sitting at this desk drafting up my blog posts and working on my YouTube content. And then over here, I got this little thing from HomeGoods, and I just mounted it to the wall, and I keep my planners in there, more for aesthetics than anything. And these are actually makeup holders. I don't really know why I have them there, but I do. And then that is my blog camera, and I have this cute little knick-knack right here that this was supposed to be a pencil holder, but I never figured out what I wanted to do with it, so I just kind of have miscellaneous things in there. And then I got this little filing cabinet portable thing from HomeGoods too, and I just store different paperwork. I put like my blog stuff up here and notes down here. I put a lot of my electronics in there, my portable lights, my charger. This is supposed to be where I put my extra items that I have from PR packages. So like this is actually supposed to be down there, but that's fine. And then I have another ghost chair over here, and basically I just use this to sit in to record my YouTube videos. Then it's the same exact chair as that one. I have my printer down there, and that is the space, guys. That's it. So before any of you ask, no, this is not my entire wardrobe. This isn't where I keep all my clothes at. This is just my little dressing room, little office area, and we have our master bedroom, and that's where I keep a lot of my stuff. I also have storage because I just have a lot of stuff, guys, but you know, I need options. So I hope that you guys like this space, and I hope that I gave you some home decor ideas too. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this space as much as I do, because I spend like 85% of my day in here. So I wanted it to not only be cozy, but obviously stylish and cute. Make sure that you guys like this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up so I know that I'm giving you the content that you want to see. If you have any ideas, video suggestions that you want to see from me, leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel so you'll be updated when I post a new video. As always, I thank you for watching and I'll see you for the next video.